Hello all. Now we'll discuss operators topic. Okay, in C language, what are the operators? What is the functionality of operators? Now we'll discuss. Okay, what is operator? Operators are used to perform the operations between the operands. What is mean by operands? See, in this expression we can see here C goes to A plus B. ABC are called operands. Plus and equals to are called operators. Here plus means addition operation it performs, equals to means assignment operation it performs. Okay, operators are used to perform the operations between the operands. Okay, what are the operators? Types of operators in C language. We have arithmetic operators, assignment operator 8, and third one relational operators, increment and decrement operations, logical operators, bitwise operators, conditional operators, and special operators. We have these 8 types of operators in C programming. Okay, first of all we will discuss with arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? What are the functionality of arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators, what are they? These 5 are the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and modulus. What are the functionality of addition? Plus operator, it adds 2 number. Subtraction, it subtract the 2 numbers. Multiplication. And what about division and modulus? What is division and modulus? In mathematical it is percentile, but in programming, what is the difference of this percentile? We'll call in modulus. What is modulus operator? We'll discuss. This is division operator. It returns a quotient. This is modulus, returns a remainder. What is the main difference? Here you can see the expression. I want to find out 10 by 2. If you want to find out 10 by 2, 10 by 2 is a 5. Why? Because it is a quotient, right? 10 percentile 2, it's a remainder. Okay, here in the second expression, see 5 by 6 value. What is 5 by 6 value? If you divide like this, 0 times remainder is 5. Here 5 percentile 6, remainder is how much? 5. Here quotient is 0 and remainder is 5. Okay, what is this modulus operator and percentile? This is division, and division means it returns a quotient. This is a remainder, it returns modulus returns a remainder. You understood, right? What is quotient, and some example we'll discuss in the programming language how it works. Now we'll discuss. Okay, see here, if you see, I want output like this: 5 by 2. What is 5 by 2 value? In the mathematics, 5 by 2 value is 2.5, but in the programming language we have some differences. What are the 5 by 2 is it's in the mathematics it is 2.5, but in the programming how it works, now we'll discuss. See, in the programming, integer by integer value is it returns integer. Okay, integer by integer. Example, if I give 5 by 2, how it takes 5 by 2. If I take 5 by 2, quotient is it returns how much? 2 times remainder is 1. How it divides like this. In this case it divides 5 by 2. See how it divides. 2 2s are 4. See here it how it returns. Here it is 4, remainder is 1. It won't give 2.5, it won't take it as a 2.5, it take it as like this, 5 by 4. Integer by integer is integer by integer, quotient is 2. Okay, another one, see, integer by float, how much? Integer by float. Example 2, if I give 5.0 by example, float by integer. What is float by integer? It's a float by integer is float. Example 5.0 by 2. 5.0 by 2 is, here you will get 2.5, not 2. Here you will get 2.5, remainder you will get 0 here, right? Third expression, if third example, if I give integer by float, integer by float, integer by float also it's a float, then result is 5 by 2.0, 5 by 2.0, result is 2.5 only. Okay, if I give last one, last expression, float by float. What is float by float? Example, if I give 5.0 by 2.5 or 2.0. If I give what is the value of this 5.0 by 2.0, then answer is float only, then answer is 2.5. You understood, right? How it was in mathematics, that is different. In programming is different. Integer by integer is integer, remaining all are float by integer or integer by float or float by float, it's a float. This is division operator. Same way we have another operator, see, modulus. Modulus is for what? Modulus, this returns remainder. Already we discussed, returns remainder only for integers. It returns the remainder only for integers, right? Not for other data type. Example, if I give 5.0 percentile 2, what is the remainder? Here in mathematics we'll get remainder is 2.5 or something, but here remainder 5.0 percentile 2, here remainder what it returns, here remainder is error. It is in C language or any programming language, percentile returns the remainder only for integers numbers, not for other data types. You write like this, it gives error. Then how to find out a remainder for float values? We have one function. What is that function name? Fmod. Using fmod function we can find out remainder for float values. You understood, right? This is a way we can find out the remainder. Same way I will discuss one expression. Okay, we will discuss one expression. What is the value of that expression? Now we will discuss. Example, I have given the expression like this with arithmetic operations. 5 into 7 by this expression I have given. Then find out the answer. Then how to do these operations? Okay, when you have given this expression like this, then how to evaluate the expression? Which one I have to first, this one I have to evaluate or this one I have to evaluate? That's why C program have some priorities and operator precedences. What are the operator precedences? Based upon operator precedence or priority, this expression will be evaluated. Okay, I will show you now what is operator precedence now. See, in this expression we have operator precedences. Which operator performs first operation? See, example, this is braces or parenthesis, it has higher precedences. See here, first parenthesis operator performs first. Whatever parenthesis has having, that value will be evaluated. This one, pre-unary operations, logical not, bitwise not, these operations. After that multiplication, division, modulus. After that plus and minus. This associative means left to right evaluation. When it is a left to right evaluation, it evaluates this way. And bitwise and left shift, bitwise right shift. Fifth one, sixth one is greater than, less than. This is relational operators. Seventh one, this is also relational operations only. Eighth one bitwise and, ninth one bitwise XR, and 10th one bitwise are, 11th one logical and, logical or conditional operations, 13th one, 14th one assignment, 15th one post increment and decrement, 16th one comma. This is the operator precedence. Based upon this table, that evaluation will be performed. First priority is what? This one, parenthesis. If it have parenthesis, compared to plus and minus, which one is having higher priority? See, multiplication, division, modulus having higher priority than plus and minus. This evaluation, now these three are occurred at a time in the expression, that evaluation done left to right. These three are occurred in the expression, it evaluates left to right. That is called associative. Okay, now we'll go and we'll discuss this expression. First, this which one will be evaluated in this expression. First, this parenthesis value will be evaluated. Parenthesis value, see, go and check it, this parenthesis value. What is this parenthesis value? This value will take separately and we'll calculate. See this, in this 2 minus 3 into 5 by 7 plus 4. Okay, here how many operators are there? Minus is there, multiplication is there, division is there, plus is there. Okay, which one will be evaluated first? Already we discussed higher priority operation will be performed, and here see, this multiplication and division is having equal priority. If it is equal priority occurred, then which one will be evaluated? If it is equal priority evaluated, left to right, that is called associative. Okay, first which one will be evaluated? See, 2 minus 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15 by 7 plus 4. Okay, again which one will be evaluated? See this, 2 minus, next time 15 by 7. 15 by 7 is 2 plus 4. Okay, now this value 2 cancel, then this value is 4. You understood, right? This value is 4. Parenthesis value is 4. Okay, if you substitute that parenthesis value here as a 4, this value is how much? 4. Then how to evaluate this expression? This is 4, right? Now how to evaluate? See this, 15 into 7. Then how to evaluate? See, 15 into 7, 105 by 4 it is, minus 7 into 9, 63 percentile 4. Okay, 105 by 4, that is 26, minus remainder 63 percentile 4, remainder is 3. Then what is the total value? Now total value is 23. Right, you understood, right, how to evaluate the expression? Now we will get result is 23. Now result is 23. Whenever equal priority occurred, okay, then you have to evaluate the expression from left to right. That is called associative. Whenever higher priority expression is there, then that evaluation will be done from based upon the priority.